What's going on, guys? Vinnie here, back with another video this week. This week on our weekly analysis, we're going to take a look at a couple different pairs. But first, let's look at our news that we have coming up for this week. This week is going to be October 16th through October 20th. Okay, 16th through the 20th. And what we're looking for is red folder news. Come out Monday, New York session. We have some Empire State Manufacturing Index news. Okay, that's not too crazy. Have a little bit of cat on Monday also. And then later on that Tuesday morning, we have some GBP news, and then we have CAD CPI on Tuesday New York session. Okay, so that's going to be major for oil and Canadian based pairs. And then we have some retail sales for USD on Tuesday. Wednesday, we have some GBP CPI news. That's going to be major. And then we also have some AUD news later on that evening. Unemployment rate, employment change. Thursday, we have unemployment claims for US dollar. And also at 12, we have the federal chairman Powell as he speaks later on that afternoon. And then coming in on Friday, we have some GBP retail sales. So this is a news-filled week. This should be a great trading week. So let's get into our charts, okay? So, guys, I'm Vinnie. I'm the owner of Blue Signal FX. I created Vinnie's trading cheat code, and what that is tools to help traders become consistently profitable, okay? So here are some of the tools that I've created. I'm going to show you step by step, one by one. Let's start with the screener right here. This is called the HPS screener. It is based off my tri-frame alignment theory, where 3 time frames are in alignment. You're going to have the highest probability trade. Okay, so whenever we get that signal that lines up, it doesn't matter what time frame you're on. You can use this HPS scanner. Okay, so it looks for the highest probability setups. If it's in green, that means buy. If it's in red, that means sell. Okay, so that is the HPS scanner. The next one is going to be Vinnie's trading cheat code. Vinnie's trading cheat code consists of the upper band and lower bands. And how we trade this, guys, is that we have extremes in the market. So when price goes outside of the band, either the upper band or lower band, you're going to get a signal in the market. Okay, that signal is either going to be a CC buy or CC sell. We also have our 47 moving average here, which is very simple. If price is below the 47 moving average, that means we're selling. If price is above it, that means we are buying. Okay. We also have our HMA, all moving average, which we use for our entries for our GSA strategy, right? That is Vinnie's trading cheat code. Let's turn that off. The last indicator that we have, guys, is going to be our CC trend indicator. So what this does is it gives you the overall trend. As you can see, the overall trend is bearish. Price just broke. So it's going to give you your secondary trend. As you can see with these 3 lines here, price is bullish right now on gold. Okay. Also, you're going to have these high probability setups wherever you get a signal or overbought and oversold zones. It's going to light up for you. Those are going to be potential reversal zones for you. Okay. So let's get back to our HPS scanner. So we're going to start with gold here, 4-hour time frame. All these trades are going to be 4-hour trades. Okay, so we already have our setups here, so we don't have to overanalyze the market, guys. All we're going to simply do is wait for our 4-hour signal, 1-hour break and retest. So let's take a look at gold here. We have gold, which definitely went for over 1,100 pips last week. Beautiful, beautiful trade. We can't expect a pullback. Okay, so that's why you see gold lit up in red. Now, if I turn on the cheat code indicator, you guys are going to see that we have a CC sell here. Okay, price is extremely outside of the bands. So that means we're expecting a pullback. This indicator also gives you your support and resistance levels. So it tells you whether it's daily, H4, H1, or daily. So right now, gold is approaching this daily resistance. So we'll see if price actually breaks this and then moves up to retest this high here. Okay. Now, if price breaks this previous swing high, that means gold is going to push higher. So I do expect gold to push higher before we actually get a reversal, right? So I will wait for the pullback to actually buy gold. I wouldn't sell gold right now, just because of what's going on with the war. Price is so unpredictable when it comes to gold. So really, the best bet for gold is to trade in its direction. Okay. But if you want to, if you're an experienced trader, you can be sure to go ahead and get a couple of pips on the retracement of gold. Okay, because price has to pull back. Let's go to our next pair. Okay, so we have all these pairs lit up. We have AUD CAD. All right, let's go ahead and look at that real quick. AUD CAD is telling us to buy. Also, it's getting down to our previous demand level, which was here. Okay, you have a CC buy. So this will be an opportunity to buy AUD CAD. Okay, I have an opportunity to buy AUD CAD. We also have AUD CHF. Already marked this up. This is going to be a pretty nice trade. We have an opportunity to either get 60 pips or 100 pips, just depending on how much price pulls back. We don't know yet. Okay, but we know that price is going to push back. So this will be my first TP. My second TP would be here on this H4. Okay, that's AUD CHF. The next pair that we're going to go for is AUD USD. And on AUD USD, we have a signal for a buy. As you guys can see, there's a CC buy here on AUD USD. And so price could come down a little bit more before we actually get a reversal here on AUD USD. Okay, because usually price will reverse midweek, Tuesday or Wednesday, just depending. Usually doesn't reverse on Mondays. It can happen. So I would definitely expect to be buying AUD USD Tuesday, maybe Tuesday morning. We'll see how price goes with that. Next pair is going to be CAD CHF. Told you guys to sell CAD has been selling ever since, so we can expect a pullback on CAD CHF. Short-term pullback before we continue lower. Next pair is going to be Euro CHF. This is going to be an excellent trade for Euro CHF. Right now, we can see the trend is bearish. We are below the 47 moving average, but we are expecting a pullback on the 4-hour time frame. So what we're looking for here with the cheat code system, with the GSA strategy, we're looking for a 4-hour signal. Okay, we got our 4-hour signal here, the cheat code buy signal. We also have our 4-hour signal on the HPS scanner for Euro CHF. Now, let's go down to the 1-hour time frame. On a 1-hour time frame, what we're looking for is for price to break this Hall moving average. So this red line that's coming down right here, right? We want price to break that Hall moving average and retest this demand level or maybe even lower before we actually get a pull up to go higher. Okay, so we're looking for something like this. All right, that's what we're looking for, looking to happen on Euro CHF. And our opportunity to get into a trade is going to be here on this second leg. Yep, we want to get in on this second leg here. Okay, that's where we want to enter, because that's where the real move happens on that second leg. So that break and retest. So that break of the Hall moving average, price is going to pull up. It's going to pull back, do a retest. And then that second leg is where price is really going to move. It's going to break this previous high, this neckline right here. So that's what we're looking for in Euro CHF. So that's whenever you hear me say 4-hour signal, 1-hour break and retest, that's the strategy, guys. Nothing more, nothing less. set your stop below at the next previous demand level, and let the price rock out. Okay. And how I take my TPs is as I use these support and demand levels. If price continues to this first one, that's going to be a first TP. This next level here will be my second TP. And if price continues to move up, this will be my third TP. Okay. But we have to remember that Euro CHF is bearish, okay, from the higher time frame. So that's something you have to keep in mind also, okay. But definitely you can, let's see, to this first TP, let's see if price was to move from here. That's about 75 pips. 75 pips is great, okay, for a counter trend trade. All right, 75 pips will be great for a counter trend trade during early on in the week. All right, let's move on to our next pair, guys. Let's go to back to the 4-hour signal, 4-hour time frame. And the next one that we're going to be looking at is going to be GBP CHF, which is going to be another good trade. It finally broke out of this consolidation here. It was consolidating for wow, since July. Okay, yeah, since July has been consolidating. We finally had a breakdown. Okay, and it's already October. So now we can expect just a pullback for price to continue lower. Okay. So this will be a good trade to take. GBP CHF. We have our 4-hour HPS scanner. We also have price outside the band on the cheat code system. All right. I'm going to do another one for you guys. It's going to be NZD CHF. Again, this is going to be an excellent trade. We have price that's going to pull back to go lower. This is going to be your first TP. I have my area marked up here where I expect price to get to, okay, before we actually see a reversal. All right. And that doesn't mean price can potentially go higher. We don't know. So that's why we take areas where we take profit. Okay. But other than that, guys, that is how the cheat code works. That is our analysis. Very, very simple, easy to maintain. You don't have to take all these trades. Okay. There's going to be a trade, as you guys can see, multiple trades. Maybe take 1 or 2 trades. Okay. Just take 1 or 2 and stack up those positions. Use risk management. Remember to use a stop loss, guys. And yeah, make sure you get the cheat code system. Right now, we're actually having a sale for our 1-year anniversary. So all you have to do is go to vinniestradingcheatcode.com. All right. And once you get here, you'll be able to create your free account. Once you create your free account, you can go ahead and purchase the cheat code system. So you're gonna get all those indicators along with the GSA strategy and education, and you're gonna get access to our back office where you'll be able to download the indicators. Right now, the price is only $150 right now. All right, that's going to be ending soon, so make sure you go get that. Link is in the description below. But thank you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video.